Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add a link to Instagram in your description. Here you will be able to leave a link that people will click on it and follow it. How to do it? For this, you will first need to find a link. I will take my TikTok for example. I go to TikTok, 3 bars, setting and private, shape profile, copy link, everything. I have the link prepared, you can take it anywhere, depending on what you need it for. Now go to Instagram, click on your profile, now click Edit Profile, then Links, and in order to add a link we need to click Add External Link, click on it. Insert the link and we can write below the description of what this link is and click on the button. Done. Now we exit from here. Click again. Done. And here is our link is in the description of the profile. And now if someone clicks on it, he will be taken to where the link was specified. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.